crypto morning tea. Good morning, everybody. It's July 27, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's, and this is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has inched up to 28 from yesterday's 26. Bitcoin dominance is 41.5%. 24-hour volume is 62 billion, heartbreakingly low. The overall market cap is 985 billion. Give or take 100 million. G minor 7th. Breath of fresh air. Handsome devil. Chiseled features and a healthy head of hair that seems to defy aging. Intermittent fasting and a commitment to moderate exercise is his secret, he says. That and the love of a good woman, but he's never been married, so maybe that's his real secret. Well, it seems we had what some Bitcoin historians used to call a little pump. After retesting our level of ill repute down at 20.5, Bitcoin spent the day meandering up and peaking out at 21.4 and has settled at time of production slightly back inside our wedge support line of 21.3. Continued rallies today could see price action rub up against the 20 moving average, 21.7. And if she's so darn tootin', maybe it tries to retest good old wedge support up at 21.9. Now you gots to admit that in the face of nothing but bad fundamental FUD being thrown at her, all the major companies reporting less than stellar earnings, Bitcoin seems to be shrugging it off, taking it on the chin at first, then fighting back in the end. Now, of course, today Jerry Powpow will be spilling the beans on his FOMC hearings after lunch, telling us all what we already know, which is they've annihilated the U.S. economy and will have to fight back with everything they've got to battle this inflation that they've been denying for the past 24 months. And by everything they've got, they mean ticking up interest rates 3/4 to a full 1%, which is like emptying a pool with a fork. Looks like a lot of work's going on, but it has little to no effect on the overall problem, besides rattling investor sentiment. Skadoo-ya-doo-doo-doo. I'm half expecting them to just rename inflation to something like consumer appreciation or product price support. Nonetheless, my friends, it's popcorn time after lunch. Technically speaking, there is a smidge of bearish divergence. As price action has made higher highs, the MACD has made lower highs. But this is the 4-hour chart. And she's a what? That's right. She's a noisy little so-and-so. Now over on the ding-dong, a.k.a. the Daily Chart. See, we're just building out this shoulder on old Mr. Clean's head and shoulder pattern. Staying in this range right here would put 20.7 as the exit point to keep our eyes on, and it will probably precursor the move to the neckline down at 19.3. Now, even I say if we see some bullish action, today we do have quite a headwind with that fitty moving average who is pitying the fool who doesn't respect it. And that happens to be at our price confluence of 21.7. And I say if we managed to stabilize today without some sort of market mayhem. After the meta earnings and Jerry Pow Pow's lunch meeting, we still have to deal with tomorrow's GDP announcement, which is not going to be a walk in the park, as anyone with a pulse knows, or more importantly, can feel the pinch of an empirical economy circling the drain. It's weeks like these I feel extra happy I exchanged my worthless, murderous fiat blood money for Bitcoin. And I'm sure all of you in this boutique community here, weathering the SHIT storm of economic hijinks and calamity, feel the same. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's a long game, so zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, ching. Make sure you like and subscribe